Welcome friends, in this video we shall discuss how lack of sleep impacts the way you walk. We shall discuss tips to improve quality of sleep followed by some yoga poses which can help improve quality of our sleep. But before we proceed ahead, friends, please subscribe to our channel and share and like all our videos. When you have lack of sleep, you feel irritable. You also feel like yawning and sleepy all day. But there is lot more to this. Sleep deprivation potentially impacts many other bodily functions including walking. A new study shows relationship between lack of sleep and one's ability to walk properly and avoid obstacles while walking. This study was carried out by 5 authors and it was published in the journal Nature. The study found that acute sleep deficiency for 1 day or more impacted the sensory motor protocol, which impacts the way we walk. Unlike believed earlier, walking is not an automatic process in which brain has no role to play. Newer studies have found that every walk we take is at least partly impacted by our brain and its functioning. For example, when we walk, our brain reacts to what we see or hear by adjusting our path or speed or both. Therefore, if one had a poor sleep the night before, he is likely to not walk well. In this research, the researchers studied sleep-deprived students of the University of Sao Paulo in Brazil. Students were asked to walk on a treadmill and match their steps to the regular rhythmic sound of a metronome machine. The machine produced a sound on a regular time interval and students were asked to synchronize their heel strikes on the treadmill to the metronome's beats. The researchers found that the students who were sleep deprived performed worse than the ones who had enough sleep. Also, the sleep-starved students were out of rhythm and they had more missed beats. In this research, the students who tried to make up for the sleep loss by sleeping more over the weekends performed slightly better than those who did not make up for the lost sleep on the weekends. However, most sleep scientists do not recommend this strategy of reducing sleep deficit over the weekends. So, what can be done to reduce sleep deprivation? The best way, of course, is to sleep more every day. But if this is not possible, one should try to improve quality of nighttime sleep. There are many things one can do to improve quality of sleep, such as walking for at least 15 minutes a day, avoiding tea or coffee late in the afternoons, avoiding alcohol before bed, not watching TV in the bedroom, setting up a comfortable bed, avoiding bright lights in the bedroom. A warm water shower before the bed can be very helpful. Keeping the same time to sleep and to wake up daily is very helpful. And we can also improve quality of our nighttime sleep by doing some yoga and some stretches in the day. Here are some yoga poses which help relieve tension and stress. Therefore, if you practice these poses 3 to 5 minutes each before bedtime, you will find it easier to get a good quality sleep. These asanas or yoga poses are Shavasana, Balasana, Supt Badha Kon Asana, Vipreet Karni, Uttan Asana and Ardh Uttan Asana. For details on these yoga poses or asanas, please watch our another video.